Hello, this is Kerry Jones and Jennifer Palucki. It's Severe Weather Awareness Week in New Mexico for 2013, and lots of topics for the week ahead. Today we'll talk about last year's severe weather season. Understanding outlooks, watches, and warnings will be the topics for Tuesday. Tornadoes and tornado safety Wednesday. Hail and thunderstorm winds on Thursday, and we'll wrap it up on Friday. Jennifer.
Let's take a look at last year's severe weather reports. Just a reminder, severe weather is classified as hail greater than or equal to 1 inch in diameter, wind gusts to 58 miles per hour or greater, flash floods, or tornadoes. Last year was a bit more active than 2011. 2011 was among the least active severe weather season in recent history. So in 2012, we had 161 severe weather reports statewide compared to 125 in 2011. And you can see the distribution on the map to the left. Most of the severe weather did occur across the eastern plains, which is quite normal. For more information, you can go to our webpage on the left-hand menu, go to the monthly summaries, and the annual 2012 summary for more information. Kerry?
So if we look at severe weather events by month, you'll see that hail, as it often does, peaked during the months of May and June. But also note there was a secondary peak in hail reports during the month of October. Again, not unusual as we transition out of the monsoon season. Once again, no tornadoes were reported for the month of April, and that's the second consecutive year that's been the case. Thunderstorm wind gusts peaked during that pre-monsoon period, June, which is the blue line here. And also, interestingly, we had some high reports during the month of August, which just goes to show you that we can and often do see these damaging wind gusts even during the core of our monsoon season. Jennifer.
So some interesting severe weather facts. We did have 2 EF1 tornadoes occur in 2012. One was near Magdalena on May 13th. This was a rare tornado because it occurred west of the Central Mountain chain, but in a relatively mountainous area itself. And you can see the picture to the right there. The largest hailstone reported was near softball size near Dora in Roosevelt County, June 12, 2012. And you can see the picture on the bottom right there, the hail being about the size of the lady's palm. The highest measured thunderstorm wind gust was 87 miles per hour, reported at the White Sands Missile Range at Phillips Hill, just southwest of Carrizozo on August 18th. Kerry?
So if we take a look at how the 2012 season compared to a historical, broader sense, since 1950, the average number of tornadoes reported, that's the key word there, reported in the state is around 9, which made 2012 slightly below average with 6 reports. Interesting to note that if we look at just the last 30 years or so, that average number of tornadoes is closer to 10. At least one tornado has been reported each year since 1953, and before that, it is likely that many tornado events went unreported, as we've discovered in our historical database. The highest number of tornadoes ever reported continues to be in 1991. We had a reports, I should say, of 31 tornadoes across parts of Eddy and Lee counties in the far southeast corner of the state. In 2012, hail reports were about 120% of average. The average number of hail reports have steadily increased since the 1950s due to increased awareness, better reporting, and so forth. And today we think that average number is right around 130 or so, again, statewide. The image to the right just shows the number of severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings that were issued in 2012, and you can see that the exception of perhaps 1 or 2 counties, every county in the state at least had some threat of severe weather last year, even in the case of severe to extreme drought conditions. Jennifer.
So we've had a new severe weather climatology page, which will be linked up on our homepage. Please check it out. It will have updated severe weather climatology through 2012, including fatality and injury data, tornado statistics, hail statistics, thunderstorm wind statistics, flash flooding statistics as well. This webpage will be evolving daily, so please check back. We'll expand it to include county-based statistics, such as the graph on the bottom right, which are tornado events by county. So please check back. It'll have lots of fun facts for you. Kerry?
So again, join us each day this week as we highlight a fresh new topic related to severe weather. Take some time to go to our main website, click on the Severe Weather Awareness link, and then explore these tabs across the top. Thanks again for joining Jennifer and I.